Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur's public convention on Manipur government inaction on the demand for inclusion of indigenous Meitei in ST list of India was not held following restrictions imposed by several organizations. It may be mentioned that Stdcm's public convention was supposed to be held today at Iboyaima Sumanglila Council. However, several organizations contacted a member of Stdcm urging them to cancel the convention. Besides, some unidentified individuals reportedly visited residence of General Secretary, knocking on the gate and intimidating him regarding the planned convention. As such, committee had to announce postponement of the public convention for some time. However, the committee affirmed its commitment to continue the protest for the inclusion of Meitei in the scheduled tribe list for India and appeals to the people for continued support in the efforts.
Iboyaima Sumanglila Sanenga Meitei Sigi public convention ama pakuk jagani haibase electronic media ki kuthangda print media ki kuthangda social media ki kuthangda loina miyam ki kuthangda object je sabse ki kuthangda umnin nilai ko haira kanjai adu ki kuthang de matam kham matam lero to masigi government puka kasidega asimuka akan ba Sapu mengenai proses sejauh kait dengan kepentingan hari waktu saya yes bro ada sih tapi masih awal macam apa masih ini pun pakai koyar hari itu aku ingat pasal le kamu ada nomor kamu sih juga di sini orang lebih panggil lezat baru masih di pangse mata kata mata di pangse dia di pangse dan so tahu ini cari yang sebenarnya aku tahu cari